file, and that, and that. Right? So let's move to the second one, which is the JSON packages. Right? So this is again for the 64-bit systems. So I go to the -user source, then auto configuration -i, and now configure, and then make install. With /configure, then make and make install. Now make, then make install. So that line, right? That line is the same of using 2-line, but I just do that for the abbreviation. All right, now what have we done right now? We just installed the required packages that are needed before asterisk to being done. Right, so asterisk before it being installed, you should have all the packages and modules pre-installed. Right, so this is the menu of asterisk. You have to make sure that the modules or the modules that you want to be installed with asterisk are required as a star. If it is as a star, then that's fine. If you find any module with the symbol X, that means that the required packages wasn't installed successfully. So as an example, when we installed the ikcml package right there, where is it? I know we did not follow this, but the ikcml, which is mandatory for the Google Voice, you will find after a few moments that we have the modules like motif, right, to be marked by star. If I did not install this package, which is called ikcml, I will not have the motif module as star, which will not be working in the next, right? So now I wanted to start with asterisk. So I go now. Now contrib. This command will install many packages that are needed for the asterisk before the compilation. So this is, you can consider it as a script, right? Again, if you have any question, if you have any problem during the installation process or compilation process, you can leave me for sure a comment on the channel, and I will do my best to answer you as soon as possible. So right now I'm done. I'm using the /configure, and don't forget to add this in 64-bit. Now this is the compilation process. This will check all the settings, all the packages that are needed. If you have any problems, if you have anything missing, you will not have this process to be successful. This process is gonna be stopped and will have a specific error, right? So as we see, no error. All of stuff worked like a charm. So now contrib, and now make menu select. And in the menu select, we can choose which modules that we want to install with asterisk. All right, I want the MP3, right? And I would like to navigate to the modules in the channel drivers, this one, and I would like to make sure that the chan motif, this, is being marked as a star. If we look here, we will find that it depends on ikcml, which is the package that I installed before, and res xmp, and the open can use OpenSSL, right? There is no conflict, and it is with the star. That means it's gonna be installed correctly. The second one, which is the XMPP, I think, if I go to resource modules and scroll down, we have the PG project as well as a star. This one, the XMPP module should be with the star status. Also, it's depending on the ikcml package. Now, once I do that, so first, all what I need in that server is just Google Voice and freepbx. So I have just double checked that the XMP, the channel driver, which is a chan motif, has modules. So now I go and save and exit. Now I can come back and make, then make install, right? So I'm gonna say make, and leave it some time. Right now I check make install, and now make config, then ld config. And now we have to install the asterisk sound. Now I'm gonna install freepbx 12. Alright, we have some error. Seeing that the freepbx folder wasn't extracted. So I go tar minus extract verbose file freepbx. Right. Then I do the permission. And this is for the Apache. And this is for asterisk with the MySQL database. Again for the asterisk, MySQL permission database. And now we will install freepbx, right? So let's do step by step. I go to freepbx folder, I'm starting asterisk. If we have any problem right now, we are in a big trouble. Thanks God, we don't have any problem, and we have the asterisk is being loaded. We have the asterisk 13 version with 64-bit on Linux. So this is a very advanced step that we achieved, and now we will have to continue installing freepbx. So I'm using the default. I'm gonna hit enter, 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 admin, enter. Those are the parameters which will be for the asterisk database in the AMP. Once I hit enter, I continue importer change on, importer A. So it seems that the AM portal command is not working. Right, this follow as it is. Alright, I think we have something missing. maybe this one. I think this step hasn't been completed successfully. When I hit enter many times, I think it wasn't going in the correct way, right? So it seemed like the freepbx wasn't installed. So I'm doing it again. Say please restart asterisk. I can continue with that. And now restarting freepbx. I think we have successfully installed everything. We have asterisk minus rv core show version. We have asterisk 13 in working. What about freepbx -etc freepbx.conf? We have freepbx working as well. So if I want to navigate to the server IP, I hit like the Apache should be working in the prompt. Yeah, we have freepbx working. Email seldomtutorials@gmail.com. Create, update the password, and here we go. And congratulations, you have the system installed successfully. So let's create an extension, pgsib or channel sib driver, and I submit 100 seldom tutorials 100, right? Scroll down, submit. Then I'm gonna hit apply. Let's check. Sib show peers. We have the extension created. So that's it. That's in a nutshell. As we see, I just followed the wiki right here, and I have made some changes. I know it took me a long time until I have it working my side. You know, I have tried many times. I have asked many questions until I found that this is not correct with the wiki. Unfortunately, they should change this with this, right? Also, the pgsib 2.2 is not correct. It should be 2.4, like, or 2.5, right? So that's in a nutshell. If you have any question, if you have any problem during the installation, you can connect with me on YouTube channel, right? If you like the video, kindly subscribe the YouTube channel, like the video, and I'm looking forward to hear from you in the comments. Thank you so much. If you have any question, any problem, you can leave me a comment on the video. Thank you so much. See you next time with a new video.